Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, when you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle, all the night. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. How could he see where to go if you did not twinkle so? In the dark blue sky you keep, often through my courteous peep, for you never shout your eye till the sun in the sky. As your bright and thin spark lights the traveler in the dark, though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star.